Okay, so the watch is charged, and now I'm pairing it with my phone in the app. Let me see if I can go this way here. Do I want it to send me? I don't want to send any notifications right now. So here we go. So I'll just set it up. Let me go United States. I'm just setting my gender, my birthday. Let's just say I was born in 1978. My height is in feet. I'll say sure 5'11". My weight is pounds. Let's say 183. Sure. Next step. It wants to create an account, but I don't want to create an account right now. But let me just show you the watch here and show you guys what it can do. So we have our time and everything there, 12:13. I'm not sure if that's actually the time yet. It hasn't synchronized with the thing yet, but we can see our steps. Boy, it's going to be, let me see if I can move y'all closer here. So we can see our steps, we can see our heart rate, and all the different settings in here. We can do a phone, it'll connect to the phone, it'll do the Alexa. Oop, I pushed the wrong button. Where are we at here? Alexa, please log into your Amazon. So it's going to do the voice Alexa. So that's what it's going to do. It's going to give me that ability. Let's see what else we can do on here. We can connect our phone, that, heart rate, oxygen levels. It's funny. Breathe, clock. We can do music. I can track my cycle. Camera control, find phone. There's a lot of different settings here in there. So it's kind of cool that it does that. It even gives you different watch faces. So if you don't like, if you don't like this watch face that's on there, where was it? That was on the end. Well, it gives you different watch faces and different options. You see, it's a whole different screen. Let's see. Oh, I keep pushing different buttons because it's new to me and I'm trying to do it from the side. If I face it towards me, I'm sure. If I had it on my watch, on my wrist, I'd be able to see it. But here we go. We're pausing our run. And now we're continuing our run. Here, I'll end it. There. It runs too short to be recorded. But you get the idea. Let's see. I figured out this is kind of the back button, and this is the button to do things. It looks like we can scroll as well to do things, as well as other stuff. So settings, watch faces. So here I can make it look like that. I can do some of these color ones. I guess that's kind of it there. So there, if I just want to be, the time and stuff. So it's kind of cool. I like it. And there's our Alexa. You can just swipe to Alexa, swipe to your activity. Pretty cool. I can just set my outdoor run and just go. So really cool little watch. I like it. And it's going to do my heart rate on the back there. So very nice. And it uses that VRPEFIT app, which a lot of the smartwatches and things will. So it's kind of a good universal app for things. So you'll be happy with the app. Everybody loves it. It's got like super high ratings. And so does this watch too. So this is the Smartwatch here. So I would go ahead and pick this up. I'll just tell you some of the features that it says on it. So in case it doesn't say it on the listing or something, it's got a 1.8-inch display, which is very similar to my Apple Watch. You can see there, it's a very similar size display. It's got the heart rate monitor, the oxygen one, which is good, but most of them don't do that. It's got the Bluetooth calling. It's got the different watch faces you can set. It is IP68 waterproof, so that's always nice. Got all the different sports modes and things like that. And what's good about this one here is it has a really long battery life compared to some of the other watches that I've had. So this is kind of fun, and it's got a nice band. You can see it's a nice little rubber band. And it's good. It's got everything you could pretty much need on here. And I like the way it can do the phone calls and stuff as well. So thumbs up. I like it.